So I did me a little thing the other day. I traded my Purple Turd for another Dodge first gen because first gen Mafia rules, because Katow. Anyway, that's a 2-wheel drive, 318 throttle body. And here she is. Body's a little rough on it. Frame's about shot, but I already got that taken care of. That's probably going to be my winter project since Green Machine's pretty much done other than needing painted. Got a little dent right there, you know. It's a 150 LE, as you can see right there. The bed is the most shot part of the whole body. I got a toolbox right here. Delta Plus. Yeah. One thing I like about this truck I don't have in Green Machine is a goddamn cargo light, but it don't work, so I don't know what the hell. Anyhow, long bed, single cab, just like Green Machine, except she's not lifted. It's got a tow hitch on her. Let me get down here so I can show you underneath. It does have a broken shackle bracket at the moment because I haven't had time or money to fix that right now, so, and for some reason, when I first started up, when the guy brought it, I felt like the motor's been touched. Let me pop the hood for you guys. Here she is. 318 throttle body. And motor seems pretty clean. I haven't had a scanner on it yet, and I don't really think I need to. And not as much wiring as Green Machine had as I noticed. But I haven't started in a couple days, so we'll see how she does. Before I start it, the inside is really clean for a 90. I mean, it's not bad. Automatic winders. Don't see that in a early 90s model very often. 235,000 miles. Ain't bad for a first gen. And I got a horn. So, let's see how she does. It runs pretty clean, no knocks, no ticking. Runs pretty good. Give you a quick view of the exhaust. Ain't bad. Cold, that's why she's hesitating. And wipers of course work. So, but yep, this is my newest truck of my generation, and she's pretty good. So. Also, if I haven't forgot to mention, the previous owner who had it is an old veteran. I don't know why he traded Purple Turd, but he did, and I got lucky with it. But I think this truck's got a hot cam in it. I haven't dug into it yet, but if you listen to it back here, it sounds pretty good. Yeah, let me open the door. It don't sound bad though either. I mean, it really don't. But yeah, I gotta get that shackle bracket fixed and some other stuff. Alright. than that, it's a pretty good run truck. I like it. It's a clean motor. And it's drivable. I mean, reverse works, drive works, neutral works, everything. There's reverse. Neutral. Drive. But, yep, that's her. I don't know what to name her yet. But, yep, it's my new Dodge. So, bye.